Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon fund projects. When I first looked into the Amazon fund, I was specifically interested in how the money wasn't just for enforcement, like buying new environmental monitoring equipment for state agencies, but how it directly impacted the lives and the future of the people who live there. My financial background always stresses that the best investment is one that is both sustainable and generates long-term value. In the Amazon, that means education and a viable, non-deforesting economy. My personal pick for the best initiatives are those that empower local communities through socio-biodiversity value chains and environmental management training. Take the focus on sustainable production chains. We're talking about products like acai, Brazil nuts, and pirarucu fish farming. Before these projects, many people saw illegal logging or cattle ranching as the only way to make a living. But the fund has backed projects that provide technical assistance, equipment, and help with commercializing these native, non-timber products. From my perspective, this is a financial win-win. It creates income for thousands of families and simultaneously incentivizes them to keep the forest standing, because a healthy forest is their only factory. Another project I found incredibly impactful was the support for territorial and environmental management plans in indigenous lands. This might sound technical, but it's essentially about providing indigenous communities with the resources, including training, software, and vehicles, to map, monitor, and enforce the protection of their own land. These communities are the most effective guardians of the Amazon, and projects that strengthen their capacity to manage their land, fight fires, and deter invaders are, in my financial view, the highest return investment you can make for conservation. They have the knowledge. The fund provides the tools. The entire principle here is to shift the economic paradigm. It's about making the standing forest worth more than the deforested land. Projects that train local technicians, support sustainable agroforestry, and create market access for bioproducts are what I consider the real success stories of the Amazon fund. They create a diversified, resilient, and most importantly, green economy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.